Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. Here at a property, we closed on this one about a week and a half ago. It's in the Waggaman, Avondale area over on the West Bank. The seller reached out to us. He inherited the home from his uncle, but about 9 years ago, so he lived here a good period. But the house had a lot of deferred maintenance, a lot of things that hadn't been fixed, and definitely, was not in condition to list with a realtor. You see behind me the garage fell down during Ida, which happened like after we contracted it. So there's a house. It's like a nice old big house on good land in Waggaman. So, but yeah, look, the garage fell down while we were in escrow, but that was okay. We were happy to deal with that. You'll see the house needs a lot of work. There's lots of stuff left behind. So the owner moved to Texas. We got a U-Haul and moved. So, just a lot of stuff he didn't want to take with him. And that's okay. We're fine with that. When you sell the house to us, we're okay. If you want to leave the stuff behind, we know it's really difficult to move and pack up and clean up. And that's really one of the benefits of selling to an as-is investor like us. We're happy to do the cleanup. You can see the house itself is pretty dated, so obviously, we're going to be getting dumpsters and cleaning this out anyway and doing a full rehab. We'll obviously donate what we can to charity, and the rest will go in the dumpster with everything else we rehab. So, yeah, quite a dated property. It's going to need a lot of work. So big clean out first, and I do like that wallpaper, although not really the modern taste, but the wallpaper is actually pretty cool. But yeah, look, this is a big project which we're happy to take on. Obviously this isn't something that the seller would list with a realtor for a homeowner to get it. You really need an investor like us who is happy to come in, clean out, fix up, rehab, put money into it. This one we're going to flip. Sometimes we'll keep them as rentals, but we've got our strategy to get on this one. So we're going to fix it up, rehab it, make it nice and modern, and then put on the market so a new homeowner can enjoy it and make their memories in the house. So if you guys have a house you're looking to sell, maybe you just want to sell it in as-is condition, you don't want to clean it up, and just want a real fast, easy transaction, then reach out to us. We are cash buyers, so we don't need to get, banks' financial approval. A bank would probably struggle to get an appraisal and, get their head around this, in terms of just the age and the condition. But for us, we're fine. We're local investors. We understand the market. We make quick decisions. We know how we operate. We know what our cost base is. We know what the value, what the product be worth. So we know what money we can afford to put into it, what money we can afford to buy it for. That will, make sense for the time, effort, and energy we put into it. So if you have a house, reach out to us. We're happy to have a conversation. Even if our numbers don't work or we're not the right buyer, we're fine with that. We're happy just to discuss with you your options, let you know, that we are an option and a cash offer is an option. And if you decide to fix it yourself and list with a realtor or take some other route, then that's fine with us, and we encourage that. We want you to have a good results. We don't need to buy every single house from people we speak to. We just want to do good business, have good sales, and have smiling, happy sellers at the closing table, and for us to have a nice project to flip or rental for our portfolio. So reach out to us. You can check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. You'll see lots of information, articles, etc. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.